evening, everyone. In behalf of my co-actors and everybody behind Shake, Rattle, and Roll, we would like to thank Eddie's for this honor and recognition. Maraming salamat po sa bumubuo ng most iconic horror franchise ng Pilipinas, ang Shake, Rattle, and Roll. Maraming salamat kay Keith Monteverde, Rosel Monteverde, at sa lahat ng creatives, lahat ng directors na bumuo ng proyektong ito. It's a great honor. Sana po patuloy nating suportahan ang pelikulang Pilipino, hindi lang tuwing Pasko, but all throughout the year. And maraming salamat din sa ating mga media, sa ating press people na patuloy at hindi nagsasawang sumuporta na ipakalat ang balita tungkol sa ating industriya. So I'm here, I'm calling out to everyone to keep supporting the Philippine movie industry, and thank you again to Eddie's at maraming salamat po sa inyo.